Hello! Here is the legendary Dodge Ram 50 from 1985. It is the predecessor of a larger car model, Ram 1500. This is the best version with four-wheel drive. Power Ram Sport. The Sport version has the largest engine offered at that time, 2.6 liters. The body is a medium-sized pickup with an open bed. An interesting feature that you will not find in other models is a tilting window between the cabin and the bed. Let's listen to how the engine works. This is a Mitsubishi engine with a capacity of 2.6 liters, simple design, 4 cylinders, 8 valves, failure-free without turbo, without DPF, and other unnecessary gadgets. The timing chain reduces our operating costs. The front fenders are original, although the radiator grille has been modified and a red frame and beautiful chrome Dodge logo have been added. As you can see, the car has been restored and slightly tuned by me. The entire paint has been changed to a structural epoxy paint. It is very resistant to damage. You can even hit it with a hammer. The rims have been sandblasted, powder coated. I added decorative chrome screws to them and glued a special decorative red stripe that goes well with the black color. The custom 50 inches badges on the pillars are original, although they were previously located in the lower part of the fenders. On the fender edges, I added plastic covers that emphasize the off-road character of the car. I left the interior of the car 100% original. There is a 2-person cabin, leather seats, basic simple equipment, a counter without a tachometer, double gear shift levers. The front bumper is original, but the rear one was removed, which significantly improved the appearance of the car. The film now shows its original emblems and original keys. Dodge is a well-known American car brand, but be careful. This model was 100% manufactured in Japan. The car was manufactured by Mitsubishi based on their model, Triton. The dashboard and all levers are original. The 4X for drive is engaged mechanically with one of these levers. Original chrome mirrors on the doors also add to the character of the car from the 80s. On the cargo bed I added chrome decorative pipes from a newer model. The body is based on a steel frame that was renovated by welding a new layer of metal on the lower part over the entire surface. As for the drive, we have a 2-wheel drive on the rear or 4-wheel drive for fast and slow driving to a reduction gear. The 4X for reduction gear reduces the speed in the field twice, but in return adds twice as much pulling power. The car is not large, so it is lively and agile. It weighs only 4,120 pounds, 1,800 kilograms. After the tuning, the car became unique and exceptional. It arouses interest on the street, especially among the fair sex. Look at the condition of the interior. It is 100% original from 1985. The steering wheel, levers, upholstery do not show any signs of abrasion. I will also add that the gearbox is manual 5-speed. The inscription, Sport also original means the most powerful engine version to 1600cc. You can see that the rear window closes perfectly. It was a very practical thing in those days because many people traveled on the cargo bed and they wanted to have contact with the driver. Let's recall the 2.6-liter engine on a carburetor and timing chain for cylinders with a power of 110 horsepower. A model for an individualist who wants to stand out among ordinary cars. A very rare model that you will definitely not see on the road. If you appreciate my work restoring this car and making this presentation, subscribe to my channel. I do not copy anyone's content. I bought this car myself, carried out the renovation and video presentation. On my channel you will find many other interesting cars and motorcycles of mine that I restored myself. There are fewer and fewer old cars and motorcycles. Thanks to my films, they will survive forever.